Hello, friends. This is Dave Hurwitz, executive editor at ClassicsToday.com, here with an absolutely sensational new recording of Bach's B minor Mass featuring Pygmalion and Rafaël Pichon. Wow, this is hot stuff. It really is. One of the most beautiful performances of the work I've ever heard, without a doubt. It does have a couple of minor lapses in my view, which I think, in the context of the whole aren't terribly important. And so let's get them out of the way, shall we? First, in the fast choruses, particularly like the Et Resurrexit and the Et Expecto Resurrectionem Mortuorum thing at the end of the credo, they sort of do what anything you can sing, I can sing faster. I can sing anything faster than you. Oh boy, are they fast. It's so fast. I really think those choruses need a little bit more weight, and you need to be able to articulate. I mean, it's amazing, quite frankly, that they can sing it as quickly as they do, especially the amens. It's like phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal choral singing. But the virtuosity really shouldn't be an end in and of itself, especially the final chorus of the credo, which has, it's got a lot of details. For example, the melody in the trumpets. Da-da-dum, da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. I mean, you can make things. The flutes, which you don't hear at all. And it's just too fast. It's so fast it goes by in a blur. And that really it's exciting as hell, but it goes by in a blur. So, well, not hell, actually. We're talking about the opposite, aren't we? But that's not the point. It's just really, really fast. Some of you may just find it thrilling. It is thrilling, but, there you go. The rest of it, though, is amazing. And the speeditude is all the more disconcerting when you realize that this small group, it's a small group. Let me tell you what they have here. It's, the orchestra, which sounds very full. It's not anemic sounding at all. Is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 first, 5 second violins, 4 violas, 2 cellos, 1 double bass, and an amazing continuo group, which consists of a viola da gamba. Why do they even bother with that anymore? A theorbo, which sounds very rich and harp-like. It's gorgeous. Organ and harpsichord. So you've got an amazingly colorful continuo group, which is used with extraordinary imagination to characterize the various choruses and solo arias. And then the choir is, the sopranos are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of those, and they're divided in half, remember. It's a 2-part soprano section, 5-part choir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 mezzos, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tenors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 basses. Very well balanced, isn't it? And it sounds it. And they're able to divide up really well for the Sanctus, which is 6 parts, or the Hosanna, which is a double choir. It's 8 parts. So, the choral singing itself is wonderful, and the concluding Dona Nobis Pacem is absolutely incredible. It builds up to this monumental, cosmic, absolutely stunning conclusion. And the fact that they can do that Pichon can do that, and his singers can do that, only makes me lament even more the zippiness in some of these choruses, because yes, take your time, let them accumulate some weight. Maybe that was his intention, to wait until the very end and make it the stunning conclusion that it is. It works. It works as a conception. So I can't argue with it. It's just my personal preference, because the technical quality of this performance is just insane. And the soloists are wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. The 2 sopranos are Julie Roset and Beth Taylor, who do an absolutely gorgeous Christe eleison. The contralto is Lucille Richardot. I really like her tone. I'm so happy they're not using a countertenor. What's the point? If you're going to have that big continuo group with theorbos and things like that, you might as well use women, authentic women. And boy, is she an authentic woman. She does an absolutely wonderful Quisedes ad dexteram patris. Emiliano Gonzalez Toro is the tenor. Quite lovely in the Benedictus. and a couple places elsewhere. It's very interesting. You've got all these soloists, but there aren't that many solo numbers in this piece. And the fact that they're so good and that they just shine whenever they have the opportunity is a big deal. Christian Immler is the bass. He's a well-known quantity. He's a very fine bass. The only question I had about the solo work is his big number, the quoniam. He's fine. He's really fine. But the horn, oh my gosh, the original authentic horn, it's blasting away. It's really kind of crude. And it's impossible to get clarity in the continuo part in the quoniam unless you use lots of extra bassoons and do something, so that you hear it churgling, gurgling around on the background. But this is whop, 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 whop. And he's screaming out the quoniam, and it sounds really, really a bit weird. I mean, part of the fault, of course, is Bach's, and thinking that a horn can do the things he asks the horn to do, which a modern horn can do, actually, in a lyrical, appropriate, dynamically nuanced way. But a natural horn, oh, gee whiz, it's a bit of a problem, but that's okay. I mean, these are little details that you'll find in any performance of this work. There will be some things that work a little bit better than others, but on the whole, if you love the B minor Mass, and let's face it, who doesn't? You really need to hear this. It is an amazing achievement. Really, really first class. The sonics are marvelous. The balances are excellent. Yes, I miss Richter in the Vitam Venturi Secoli Amen thing at the end of the credo. I mean, I really do. Just the bigness of it. That's just a naturally gung-ho football pep rally style of performance. Yeah, I kind of miss that. But listening to the whole thing, you're not going to do better. You just aren't. It's absolutely a tremendous achievement. So keep on listening, friends. Thanks for joining me. Take care.